In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Flight Simulator on Google Earth in just a few simple steps. This is a fun, hidden feature that lets you fly over real locations right inside Google Earth. And the best part is that it's easy to start once you know where to click. If you enjoy quick tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to earth.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Google Earth homepage. From there, look for the Explore Earth option and click it. This takes you into the main Google Earth experience where you can start navigating the globe. Now that you're inside Earth, look at the menu and click Tools. In the Tools menu, you should see the Flight Simulator option. Click that and Google Earth will launch the simulator mode for you. Once the simulator opens, you can begin flying by using your keyboard controls. The keyboard is what you'll use to steer, climb, descend, and move around the map. If the plane feels too fast or too slow, you can adjust the throttle using the on-screen HUD. That helps you control your speed more smoothly while flying around different areas of the world. Take a moment to get comfortable with the controls, because once you understand how the keyboard and throttle work together, it becomes much easier to enjoy the simulator. You can fly over cities, mountains, oceans, and landmarks, which makes it a really cool way to explore Google Earth in a completely different way. So to recap, go to earth.google.com, click Explore Earth, open Tools, select Flight Simulator, and then use the keyboard and on-screen HUD throttle to control your flight. It's a simple process, but it opens up a really fun hidden feature inside Google Earth. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.